How are 0.5 meter of NaOH different from 0.5 mole of NaOH? 0.5 mole of NaOH represents simply 20 gram of the uh, 20 gram of the NaOH, while 0.5 mole of NaOH, 0.5 capital M of means 20 gram of the base or NaOH dislocated per liter of the solution. Second question, what is the electronic configuration of O2? He25 raised up to power 2 to p raised up to power 4. Next, third, what is the basic difference between electron gain enthalpy and electronegativity? Electron gain enthalpy is the tendency of an isolated gaseous atom to accept an additional electron to form a negative ion. Electronegativity is the tendency of the atom of an element in a chemical compound to attract a shared pair of electrons. Fourth, under what condition of temperature and pressure do real gases tend to show ideal gas behavior? Real gases show ideal behavior at high temperature and low pressure. Fifth, predict in which of the following entropy decreases or increases. A liquid crystallizes into a solid, entropy decreases. Second, H2 to 2H, entropy increases. Sixth, for the following equilibrium, Kp is equal to 6.3 into 10 raised up to power 14 at 1000 Kelvin. NO plus O2 in the reverse and straight reaction. NO2 plus O2. What is Kp for the reverse reaction? सो इसका आंसर आ जाएगा क्या? इसका आंसर है ये सिक्स्थ क्वेश्चन था 1.59 इंटू 10 रेस अप टू बार -15. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन सेवंथ, असाइन द ऑक्सीडेशन नंबर टू Mn इन K2MnO4. सो इसका आंसर है +6. 8. राइट द इंटरनेशनल यूनियन ऑफ प्योर एंड अप्लाइड केमिस्ट्री नेम CH2CH is equal to C into CH3 into 2. So इसका आंसर है 2 methyl but 2 ane. Next, 9th, what is the concentration of sugar in mole L raised up to power -1 if 20 gram of it is dissolved in enough water to make final volume up to 2 liter. So the answer is 0.02925 mole per liter. Next question, question number 10th. Calculate the mass of a photon with wavelength 3.6 A raised up to power 0. So the answer is 6.12135 into 10 raised up to power -33 kg. Next question, question number 11. What is meant by polar covalent bond? Give suitable example. A bond that exists between two atoms consisting of electrons that are unevenly distributed. Next question, the optional question, different sigma and pi bond. Next question, 12th, write Hess laws of constant heat summation by giving an example. So the answer is the Hess law of constant heat summation states that change in enthalpy for a reaction is same whether the reaction takes place in one or a series of steps. Next question, for the galvanic cell reaction Zn plus 2Ag into Zn2 plus 2Ag. First, which electrode is negatively charged? Zinc electrode is negatively charged. Second, what is the direction of current? Next question, 14th, account for the following. KO2 paramagnetic. KO2 is a superoxide which contained odd number of electrons. Second, LiL iodide is more soluble than Ki in ethanol. Due to its small size, the lithium ion has a higher polarizing power than the potassium ion. Next, 15th, draw resonating structure of CO3 2- and state the hybridization of carbon in it. Next question, question number 16th, write bond line structural formula for first isopropyl alcohol, second 2,2,4- trimethylene pentane. Next question, question number 17, state the principle of the following techniques taking an example in each case. First, distillation under reduced pressure. Distillation under reduced pressure often known as vacuum distillation is used for purification of chemicals that break down at temperature lower than their typical boiling point. Next, second, chromatography. Chromatography is a laboratory technique for the separation of a mixture into two compounds. 18th, what do you understand by the inductive effect? How will this justify the following order of acidic strength? So the answer is CH3, CH2, COOH is the most acidic among given option. Electron donating group decreases the strength of acid, and electron withdrawing group increases the acidity. With increase in electron donating +1 methyl group, acidity gradually decreases. Next question, question number 19th, A part. The state Heisenberg's uncertainty principle. Heisenberg uncertainty principle, it states that the position and momentum of microscopic moving particles among the cannot be determined simultaneously. Next, B part, using SPDF notation, describe the orbital with the following quantum numbers: n2, 1 is equal to 1, so 2p. Next, n is equal to 4 and 1 is equal to 0, so 4b. Next, third, n is equal to 5, 1 is equal to 3, 5f. Next, fourth, n is equal to 3, 1 is equal to 2, 3d. Next, 20th, predict the formula of the binary compound formed by the combination of the following pairs of element. So first, magnesium and nitrogen, magnesium nitride. Next, phosphorus and fluorine, phosphorus fluorine. Next, aluminium and iodine, FeI3. Next, 21st, define hybridization. State the hybridization and the shape of PCI and 5 and BeF2. Hybridization is the intermixing of two orbitals of nearly same energy to new hybrid orbit and occurs among orbitals of same element. The hybridization of sp3d and the shape of the molecule is trigonal by pyramidal. Next, question 22. A. Which type of intermolecular force exists between Ki and I2? So dipole induced dipole. Next, second, what will be the pressure of the gaseous mixture when 0.5 liter of H2 at 0.8 bar and 2.0 liter of O2 at 0.7 bar are introduced in a 1 liter vessel at 27 degrees Celsius? So the answer will be total pressure of gaseous is 1.80 bar. Next, 23rd question, the equilibrium constant for a reaction is 10. What will be the value of triangle G? 5.744 kg per mole. Next question, 24th. तो मैं सब आंसर नहीं करावांगा. 24th, what are the electron deficient, electron precise and electron rich components of hydrogen? Give one example of each. या इस जगह पे की कर सकते हैं. What do you understand by the following term? First, demineralized water. Second, autoprodysis of water. Third, hybrid gap. Next, 25th, what happens when? First, sodium peroxide dissolves in water. Second, lithium nitrate is heated. Third, quicklime is heated with silica. 26th, why is an organic compound fused with sodium for testing nitrogen, halogen and sulfur? B. In the estimation of sulfur by Carrier's method, 0.468 gram of an organic sulfur compound given 0.668 gram of barium sulfate. Find the percentage of sulfur in the given compound. 27th, what is smog? How is classical smog different from photochemical smog? 28th, A. Find the conjugate acid or base for the following species: HFCN minus, NH4 plus, HCO3. B. The ionization constant of HCOOH and HCN at 298 Kelvin are 1.8 into 10 raised up to power minus 4 and 4.8 into 10 raised up to power minus 9 respectively. Calculate the ionization constant of the corresponding conjugated bases. or A part predictive solutions of the following salts are neutral, acid or basic। ਤਾਂ salts ਤੁਸੀਂ ਵੀਡੀਓ ਪੋਜ਼ ਕਰਕੇ ਦੇਖ ਸਕਦੇ ਹੋ। ਆਪਾਂ ਚੱਲਦੇ ਹਾਂ B ਪਾਰਟ ਦੇ ਉੱਤੇ। Steadily Chatelier principle give the effect of pressure change and temperature change on the state of equilibrium, giving example। 29th A, a certain salt X is in its aqueous solution is alkaline, it swells up to glassy material Y। Second, its hot solution on treatment with cone H2SO4 gives white crystals of an acid Z. Identify X, Y and Z and give the chemical reaction। B, what do you understand by? First, inert pair effect. Second, ionization enthalpy। Or A, complete and balance the following equation। First, B2H6 plus NH3। Second, Al plus NaOH plus H2O। B, give reason। First, graphite is used as lubricant। Second, cone HNO3 can be transported in aluminium container। Third, CO is poisonous in nature। 30th A, give the chemical equation for the following reaction। First, Friedel-Crafts reaction। Second, ozonolysis। Third, Wurtz reaction। B, account for the following। First, benzene is extraordinarily stable through it contains 3 double bonds। Second, out of trillion benzene M dinitrobenzene trillions will undergo nitration most easily। ਤਾਂ ਪਿਆਰੇ ਬੱਚਿਓ ਅੱਜ ਦੀ ਵੀਡੀਓ ਲਈ ਨਹੀਂ, ਮੈਂ ਤਾਂ ਸਭ ਨੂੰ ਮਿਲੂੰਗਾ ਅਗਲੀ ਵੀਡੀਓ ਵਿੱਚ। ਇਸ ਨੂੰ ਪੂਰ ਦੇਖਣ ਦੇ ਲਈ ਧੰਨਵਾਦ।